Here's a video on Marco's managed video solution using the Vadio AV bridge. So you can see up at the top you've got the camera, you have the speakers, and then all the other connections that are behind the wall leading to the display. On the table you have the keypad interface that will act as a switcher between VGA and HDMI. It will also control audio levels and act as a SIP phone for standard voice calls using a video conferencing or an audio conferencing only call. The connections you see are HDMI, VGA, network, and USB. So the idea, we would come in, power up the display, and select what input we're going to use. In my case, I'm going to use the HDMI. And you can see my laptop is now duplicated up on the display. So here we're just using it as a standard presentation, as if I were using the room presenting to a group here local in the room. And in that case, I can open up a PowerPoint, and it's going to bring my PowerPoint up on the screen. So in the event I want to make a video call, I would then need to plug the USB connection in my laptop, and if I was not on wireless, I would then connect the Cat5. And then here I would just determine whether it's VGA or HDMI, and what I'm doing at this point is I'm just selecting the connector that I'm using to run my presentation. So from here, I would select the Marco Managed Video app, and then you'll see I'm actually using the camera and the audio on the Vadio system above the display. This camera on my laptop is not selected. Now, what I can do I'll log into my room. This just takes a second. So I can also go full screen. So now I'm in a video call. And again, using that camera, and if we had far-end audio, the audio would be coming out of the speakers above the television, and my microphone is included in this pod. If I wanted to share my PowerPoint on the video call, I would minimize my video conference. I would open up my PowerPoint. I would start from the beginning, and you can see if I hit share content here, I'm now sharing content to the far side. And you can see my little preview window right down there in the corner. It's right here. That's actually showing what I'm sharing. So as I move through the slides, it'll give you a preview of what's being sent to the far side. And then I also have my self view up on top. So that's just a quick tutorial of the Vadio video conferencing solution, using it with Marco's Video as a Service.